Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 69 of the New England farmhouse renovation. We are here in the master bedroom where the barn board floor has been put down, and this is huge. This is actually literally huge. It is the biggest floor space in the house with the least amount of usable space. Well, let me explain that. So, it took the most flooring to go in here, but it has the least amount of usable space because of the pitch of the roof. So once you get down below 5 feet, that really can't be considered usable space. But there's still floor there, so we still have to put the floor there. And then there's this wonderful closet that really, I mean, space savers have designed this. So there's this walk-through closet. You've heard of a walk-in closet, but this is literally a walk-through closet. But again, we're in that 5 foot of the pitched roof, and so not usable space. But we still had to put the barn board floor in there. So that's what we ended up doing all day today. Now the plan was that I would get the barn board floor down, and I got it down. It used all of the barn boards we got from Robinson Lumber. So we did our 15% overage, and we used, well, no, we have one board left. So we used it all except for one board. And so that really worked out well. But Liz was supposed to come here tonight, and she was supposed to apply her weathered wood look. But she got caught up in another flooring project over at, well, my in-laws and her parents' house. So she didn't make it here tonight. So that puts us behind. 12 hours for the floor to dry. It's not going to happen tonight. It's not going to get sealed tomorrow, meaning we're not going to be able to put anything in here on move-in day. That happens. Life happens. We're not too worried about it. This whole goal of trying to get in here on a certain amount of time, well, let's just say that we're going to push it through the weekend, because that's what we're going to do. Tomorrow is Friday, so we'll get it stained tomorrow, and then I'll get it sealed on Saturday. In the meantime, we'll have everything completed inside the bathroom, which has got the final coat of paint on it. We've got our glass door that's going to go in there. We've got some trim and molding that's going to go in there. We've got the spindles to go in there. So we still have lots of stuff to do, but the kids' room's going to be done. The bathroom's going to be done. Downstairs is all completely done. We're not going to have to worry about any pets or small animals falling through the stairs, because the railing's going to be up. And I'm still calling that pretty good for moving in. This is going to take an extra day because, like I said, she got sidetracked on a project today. She was doing another floor, and that happens. So after all is said and done, when we're past our 70 days, when we're past this weekend, and I said we're moving in, that's our goal. That's what we set in order to be here, and so we're not going to make it, and that happens. So now, because other projects are coming up, I've got to kind of focus on those, and in order to do that, that's just going to mean that we're going to be moved in, but things like the doors, which need to get built, things like just a little bit of the finished work that needs to get done, like the trap door for the attic crawl space, that's all going to become weekend projects. So there's plenty of weekend warriors out there that I know, and that's what these are going to become. So during the week, I'm going to be working on the other projects I have. Because I'm a home improvement contractor, I'm going to go out there and be improving other people's homes. And then I'm still going to let you all in on what's going on the weekends when we get all these different projects. So we've got the doors, those are all going to be custom. We're really going to take this space here, this wonderful walk-through closet, and we're going to find a way to really kind of make it more usable. And I don't know how that's going to work yet, but that's going to be a weekend project, and I'll take you along for it. So, day number 69 in the books. We're still going. Day number 70 is supposed to be the end of it. The floor is going to be in tomorrow. We'll still post on day number 70. It'll take the rest of the weekend, and then, you know, come Monday, we'll see where we're at, and I'll keep updating you as things happen. So we're close. We got really close to making it, and yeah, I'm not even worried. 70 days to get in this 1880s farmhouse and bring it up to what I would call modern standards. I'm not even worried at all. It was a great run. It was a lot of work, and I hope that a bunch of people have learned a little something about it. I've got a lot of comments back, so I'm really proud of that. And the other thing that I do have out there, which some of you have jumped on, is I put that punch list in the description on the YouTube channel. So please go to the YouTube channel, click on the punch list. You got to have 10 items that you want to get done and you need to get done, so put them in there. Put in your price, and like I've been saying this whole time, I'll see if I can do it for the price that you matched it, and if I can't do it, well, then I'll help you find somebody who can. That's what we do here. So, thanks for watching, and while you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions about any of this treatment, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow when we kind of wrap this whole thing up.